it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another project share. This is another one of my submissions for Rosa Kelly's Christmas challenge giveaway. So there were 5 items, and previously I had shown you the Fun Fold, very large Christmas card, and the Memory Decks card. So this is my submission for the Folio, along with the bonus piece, I guess, which was the kind of like holder for the Folio. So I made this using the Holiday Spice paper pad from Recollections. It's one of their hot buy paper pads. So it's just kind of fun. It's kind of like holiday baking-ish themed style, I guess. So I'll show you the folio first, and then we'll take a peek at the cover or holder. So this is a cardstock only folio. I did make it using the 110-pound white cardstock from Michaels. And then this was a cut apart tag from the Holiday Spice pad, as was this. There's some little bells and some ribbon also from Michaels. These, I will link to the die for these in the description below. This is a little birdie flower. I think this was a Recollections flower, and I think this is another little birdie one as well. So I layered everything on red cardstock and then the pattern paper just to give it a little bit more dimension, I guess, more color. So the spines are pretty basic, and then the back I just matted. This is one of the cut aparts from the paper pad as well, and I just took some seam binding and dyed it myself. So that it is a double set of seam bindings. So this just opens, and you have a waterfall. So I kept it pretty plain. So pretty plain, but lots and lots of space. And this is magnetized, and this Be Glad was also just a cut apart from the paper pad. I left this plain, and when you open it up, this side is also another waterfall, and the Be Blessed was also a cut apart, again magnetized, and it's essentially the exact same, so just more waterfalls. So this is just a very large pocket. I use the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch to just notch these, and again another cut apart. And then these are just a couple of tags that I made myself from paper, and this is a We Are Memory Keepers reinforcement tab punch thing. So this is magnetized, and then the rest of it I just left very open to put, you know, whatever photos or journaling or whatever you want. So it's pretty simple, but I have discovered a love for folios recently. Alright, so moving on to the cover or the holder for it. Again, this is cardstock only. This is based mostly on the tutorial that Rosa had done for one of hers. So just kept it pretty plain. Well, these are some little birdie roses, and again more of the Michaels ribbon, some gold, some twine, jute I guess, and some more bells, gotta have the bells, and a couple more cut aparts. So my camera stopped recording, so I am just going to explain the rest of it with a freeze frame. So it is magnetized closed, and it is kept pretty simple. There is a little kind of box piece at the bottom that is 1.25 inches, and that is where the folio just kind of sits inside, and then the two front angled pieces just kind of come together, and they again are magnetized, so it will stay closed if you have it standing up on a shelf or whatever. It will stay, closed. It won't open. So I really like the paper. I thought that it was a lot of fun. It was more muted tones, but still, Christmas colors. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and stay tuned for the next project share as part of the Rosa Kelly Christmas challenge giveaway. I believe my next video will probably be the 6x6 album. So, as always, thanks for watching, and if you're interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button.